We'll guide you through how to fix your iPhone's microphone not working. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, go and open up your settings. And then what you want to do is go and scroll down and go and click on screen time. And then scroll down into restrictions and click on content and privacy restrictions. So if these are enabled, this could be part of your problem. And now what you want to do is go and find microphone and click there. If there's a screen time passcode set, it will need to be entered. If you don't know it, you'll have to ask the person who does know it to enter it. You need to set this to allow changes, because if don't allow changes is set, the new apps will be prevented from accessing the microphone, which is probably why it isn't working for you. So make sure that's set to allow changes. And then what you can do is come back to your main settings and go and scroll down and find the app you're having the problem with. Let's say it was Instagram. Make sure the microphone is switched on here so Instagram does have access to it. And you can do that for other apps as well. Now go and see if your problem is fixed. If it still isn't, then what I recommend you do is a force restart. This will just go and restart your iPhone. So all you need to do is press the increase volume button, then the decrease, and then you hold the power button. You'll see this screen here, but just continue to hold it. Your iPhone will then go black. Keep on holding it until the Apple logo appears. Just like so, and let go. Now wait for it to restart. And now hopefully your iPhone microphone is now working. If you found this useful, then please leave a like.